Welcome back, folks. If you notice that the App Store is missing, no problem, let's fix it. Welcome back, guys. If you're on your SuperBox and the App Store is missing, there is a fix. Here's how you can do it. First, go to Google and type in the web address you see on the screen. You'll see the link for the App Store installer. Click on that link. Download the APK file and click OK to save it. Once the download is complete, open the file and click Install. After it's installed, go back to your apps and open the App Store. You'll now see that the App Store is back. Now you can access all your apps again. That's it, a quick and easy fix. If you found this video helpful, please click the subscribe button and stay tuned for my next video. Thanks for watching.